Very good morning, all. So this is our second unit, P block P block element one. So P block element two is there. So we are going to see about P block element one. So this is our second unit. So already we knew the periodic table, right? So this is called P block elements. So from 13 to 18 are called P block elements. So let me give some introduction about the P block elements. So in the P block elements, some of the metals, non-metals, and the metalloids are there. So boron, silicon, and germanium are the good example for the metalloid. So metalloid, which means it contains the both properties of metals as well as non-metals. So they are called metalloids. So metalloid என்றது மெட்டலோட ப்ராப்பர்ட்டியும் நான் மெட்டலோட ப்ராப்பர்ட்டியும் கொண்டிருக்கும். And next thing is metals. So they are all metals, and they are all carbon, phosphorus, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur. They're all the good example for the non-metals. Okay. And this is a halogen family. So seven fluorine family, it is another name is there, that is halogens. So இப்போ 17th இன்னொரு நேம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா halogens, and 18th group is called noble gases. So another name of noble gases is inert gas. So inert gas, which means they won't react with others. So அப்போ என்ன பண்ணோம், electronic configuration பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, so electronic configuration of helium is 2, right? So electronic configuration of neon is 10. So in the first cell 2 electrons, second cell 8 electrons. So there is no, so அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும், லாஸ்ட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஷெல் ஃபுல்லாக ஃபில் ஆகிட்டு இருக்கும். ஸோ அதனால் அதுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணவும் முடியாது, மற்ற எலமெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து கெயின் பண்ண முடியாது. தட் இஸ் ஒய் வி ஆர் காலிங் இட் ஆஸ் அ இன்னட் கேஸஸ். ஸோ நாட் ஓன்லி ஹீலியம், ஸோ நியான், கிரிப்டான், ஆர்கான், ஜெனான், ஸோ எல்லாத்துக்குமே இப்படி தான் இருக்கும். ஓகே. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் பி பிளாக் elements. Okay, before going to class, so let us learn some objectives of the lesson. General trends in the properties of p block elements, and we will explain the anomalous properties of the first element of p block groups. We will discuss the preparation properties and uses of boron, and we will discuss the preparation of important compounds of boron and aluminum. So after that we will discuss the preparation and properties of important compounds of carbon and silicon. So these are all the learning objectives of the P block element 1. So this is our second unit. So let me give the introduction. The element in which the last electron enters the p orbital constitute the p block elements. They are placed in 13 to 18 group. So it is very familiar to us, right? Of the modern periodic table, and the first member of groups are boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and helium. Okay, they are first groups in the p block. Okay, so atomic number of boron is 5, and mass number is 11. Okay, the electronic configuration as shown there. So you can see here 2s2 2p1. So it has 2s2 2p1. So I have shown the boron. So இந்த மாதிரி இதுதான் வந்து பார்த்தோன்னா boron particles you can see here. Okay, so this is good example for the boron. Okay, so let me go to the next one. So carbon and nitrogen is there, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and helium. So இது p block elements இருக்கிற first members. So let me go to the next topic. Okay, so in this p block elements which their isolation, so ionization, enthalpies, electronegativities and metallic in nature. So some of the metals are there, already I explained about it, right? Aluminum, gallium, sorry, that is gallium, indium. Okay, these are all the thallium are the good example for the metals. They are shown in a blue color. Blue color with எல்லாமே metals, and they are given green, they are given a green color, no? So these are all called metalloids. So metalloids என்றது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா both as metal and non-metal properties. Okay, so metal property கொண்டு இருக்கும் and non-metal property கொண்டு இருக்கிறது பேர் தான் metalloids. So already we know that, right? இதெல்லாம் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா non-metals. Okay, 18 groups they have shown the, see, you can see here. So 18 groups elements, they are called inert gases. So noble gases சொல்லலாம் and inert gases. So 18th group. So it is also located in p block. Okay, so electronic configuration and oxidation state. So p block elements have the general electronic configuration of ns2 np1 minus 6. The element of each group have similar outer shell electronic configuration and differ only in few value of n. So some of the elements உடைய இது மட்டும்தான் இப்போ கான்ஃபிகரேஷன் இதாவது, மற்றபடி எல்லாமே சிமிலராக இருக்கும். Okay, so the element of 18 group in inert gases have completely filled p orbitals, hence they are more stable and they have least reactivity. So they will not react with other elements. So they will not share electrons and they will not gain. So that is the reason they are calling it as a inert gases. So inert gases என்னன்னா அதுக்கிட்ட electron sharing இருக்காது and receiving இருக்காது. Okay, and okay, next, the elements of the black show the variable oxidation state and their highest oxidation state. So it is showing the oxidation states and highest oxidation state and the valence electrons present in them. So S block elements which show only positive oxidation state, but P block elements show negative oxidation states also. Okay, so and 17th already I explained about it, that is halogen family. So halogens have strong tendency to gain an electron to give a stable halide ion with a completely filled electrons configuration, and hence one oxidation state is more common in halogens. Okay, why already explained it, explain பண்ணிட்டேன், இருந்தாலும் once again, why 18 group elements are called inert gases. Okay, so electronic configuration நம்ம எழுதும்போது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா argon. So argon is a good example for the inert gases. Noble gases பார்த்தீங்கன்னா in the first shell we have filled 2 electrons, in second shell 8, in the third shell 2 4 6 8. So we have filled all the shells, right? So there is no valencies. ஸோ அப்போ இது என்ன பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இதால் மற்ற எலமெண்ட்ஸ்க்கும் ஷேர் பண்ண முடியாது, கெயின் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ லாஸ்ட் இந்த ஷெல் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபில் ஆகிடுச்சு லைக் அ நியான். ஸோ நியானுக்கு எலக்ட்ரானிக் கான்ஃபிகரேஷன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 2,8, ரைட்? அப்போது 2 8. ஸோ லாஸ்ட் செல்லில் இருக்கிற எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் எல்லாமே ஃபில் ஆகிடுச்சு. ஸோ அகெயின் we cannot fill it. Okay, that is why we are calling it as a inert gases. So they will not react with the others. So some general electronic configurations they have shown here. Group name, so icosagens, tetragens and pnictogens, chalcogens, halogens, and 18th group is called inert gases. Okay, so general outer electronic configuration they have shown for the 13 is ns2 np1 ns2 np power 2 ns2 np power 3 ns2 np power 4. So for the 17th ns2 np power 5. For the 18th group ns2 np power 6. So highest oxidation is they are given for the group oxidation for the 13 is 3 plus 3, for 14 is plus 4, 15 5 6 like that. So other observed oxidation state plus 1, here they have shown plus 2 minus 4 plus 3 minus 3 plus 4 plus 2 minus 2. So they are telling the tendency of electron sharing. So likewise 18th group. So metallic nature. The tendency of an element to form a cation by losing electrons is known as electropositive or metallic character. So this character depends on the ionization energy. Generally on descending, the group of ionization energy decreases and hence the metallic character increases. So metallic in nature. So ionization enthalpy already we have read in 11th standard, right? 11th நம்ம படிச்சிருக்கோம் ionization enthalpyன்றதுனா. And yes, okay, the increase in their atomic radius. So enthalpy of the elements due to the increase of their atomic radius. And let us go for the electronegativity. The tendency of an atom in a molecule to attract the shared pair of electrons toward itself is known as electronegativity. So it is gaining the pair of electrons from the others. So other element it is gaining pair of electrons. Okay, so this is called electronegativity. Okay, how they are sharing in the C you can nitrogen. So 1s2 2s2 2p3. So when we count it 2 plus 2 plus 3 7. So atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Oxygen pathina, so you can see here 1s2 2s2 2p4. So how they are filling 1s2. So in the first they are filling 2 electrons and 2s2 and the 2p power 4. So likewise they are sharing for the fluorine also, they are sharing the here and neon. So 2 plus 2 plus 6, so 10. So 1s2 2s2 2p6. So likewise they are calculating. You understand all? Okay, so anomalous properties of the first elements. So remaining topics we'll see at next class. So anomalous properties of the first elements. So it is nothing. So yeah, differing from the each others. You can see here. So the first member of each group differ from the other elements of the corresponding group. The following factors are the responsible for the anomalous behavior. So in the P block elements, இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எல்லா எலமெண்ட்ஸும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மோஸ்ட்லி ஃபஸ்ட்டில் இருக்கிற எலமெண்ட்ஸ் மட்டும் தான் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஸோ அதோடைய இது டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்கும். இப்போ வி கம்பேர் டு த அதர் எலமெண்ட்ஸ் மற்றதெல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வந்து சிமிலராகவே இருக்கும். ஸோ ஸ்மால் சைஸ் ஆஃப் த ஃபஸ்ட் மெம்பர் and high ionization enthalpy and high electronegativity, absence of d orbitals in their valence set. So inert pair effect. So the phenomenon of electrons remaining paired in valence shell is called inert pair effect. So இந்த பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் ரிமைனிங் இப்போ அந்த பேரில் வந்து வேலன்ஸ் செல் இருக்கிறதான் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த inert pair effect. Okay, so let us go for the allotrophism in p block element. So allotrophism is nothing. ஸோ ஒரே ஒரு எலமெண்ட்டு ரெண்டு ப்ராடக்டில் இருக்கும், ஆனால் இருந்தாலும் வேறு வேறு அப்பியரன்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இது வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா டைமண்ட், இது கிராஃபைட். ஸோ டைமண்ட்க்கும் கிராஃபைட்லேயும் கார்பன் இருக்குது, ஆனால் ரெண்டுமே ஒரே மாதிரியான தோற்றம் இல்லை. ஸோ த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் இஸ் டிஃபர் ஃப்ரம் ஈச் அதர்ஸ், ரைட்? Some elements exist in more than one crystalline or molecular form in the same physical state. For example, carbon exists as diamond and graphite. This phenomenon is called the autotrophism. So Greekல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அலாஸ்ன்றது another and trop means change. The different forms of an element are called allotrophs. So many people of elements show allotrophism, and some of the common allotrophs are listed in the table. So this is all the good example for the allotrophism. Allotrophism nothing. So ஒரே element ரெண்டு physical stateல இருக்கும், ஆனால் the appearance will be different. So this is called allotrophism. Some of the examples they are shown here. So for the boron, so amorphous boron and alpha amphothetal boron, and some of the examples also they are shown here. So the orthorhombic boron and alpha tetragonal boron and beta tetragonal boron. So these are all the allotropes of boron. So carbon, diamond, graphite, graphene, fluorines, carbon nanotubes. So these are all the allotropes of carbon. For the silicon also, amorphous silicon, crystalline silicon. So germanium, alpha germanium and beta germanium. So these are all the allotropes of the some p block elements. So tin, diagon, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, oxygen, sulfur, selenium. Okay, they are given for that. Oxygen பார்த்தா dioxygen and ozone. So O2 and O3. So these are all the examples they have shown. For the sulfur also, homosulfur, monoclinic sulfur. So these are all the examples they are shown here. And selenium பார்த்தீங்கன்னா red selenium, gray selenium, black selenium, monoclinic selenium. Tellurium, so amorphous crystalline. So these are the some common allotropes of p block elements. Okay, thank you all. Just revise the topic, and if you have any queries and doubt, you can ask me. Thank you all.